Let's do a cold start, I guess. Minus 17 Celsius right now or something. It's not gonna like this. It doesn't start very good. Oh, never mind. It actually starts way better with the new injectors. Nice.
Pretty good?
First good?
Yeah, we're gonna find out this afternoon. I had to find the evilest truck to pull it, so found that.
Yeah, this might have killed the old 12
Yo, it would have killed my trailer for sure.
The 12 probably would have survived. The trailer.
It would have looked like when I pulled my power wagon on with the U-Haul
One
trailer.
like your U-Haul.
Sorry, U-Haul. Yeah, I had to straighten that trailer back out before I brought it back. I won't disclose where or when that happened or what it was, but
You just got it. I don't know if it's gonna like single line in that. Doesn't sound happy already. I don't want to be too close to it. Will it do it single line? That thing's so big. Oh, really? It's doing it. It's not happy. So you're sitting on the overloads? I'm ready. You can turn this way, big time.
Did you hit your overloads?
Yeah, it's touching the fronts, yeah. First time, yeah. Well, this is gonna be fun. You sure you don't want to ride in it?
What's that?
You don't want to ride in it?
Do you see it when it's on the trailer? I'll wait till we get to the prairies. I definitely want to ride in it, but not for this.
Not for this, no.
Not for this, no.
No. Actually, coming down the other direction would have been worse, I think.
Oh, I think so. Yeah.
This is a little more gradual going down, but it's a hard pull. It's going to be a greasy pull. Just a tiny little load.
Tiny little 310 4-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Sorry, brakes.
Oh boy.
We're almost at the bottom.
Yeah. That's a big truck.
It is a big truck. Ah, we made it.
Down.
Yeah.
We made it down.
Well, down sketchier than up, I think.
yeah. Yeah, probably.
You know? She can make it up the other side slow, but you can't get her to low.
Yeah. At least the blizzard, you know, subsided on us.
Yeah, imagine if that was icy.
Yeah, I wouldn't, yeah. Yeah.
Take it the long way around.
Yeah. What's she gonna get to for high roll?
She's at 840.
We'll try and pull her in fourth. Right out of her.
How high do you ever have that up?
What?
How high do you ever have the power on this?
Oh, you can get it to 1600, 1500.
Oh, yeah.
She'll pull 12 for a while. Oh, my probe screwed up. So now we don't know, right? What we need to.
Yeah.
It's probably hot. Engine temperature's climbing. That means Pyro's getting hot. Drop the third. Woo, that's a big hill.
That's a bull. Yeah, Hertzberg trip's done.
Climbed up to only 201, 203.
Oh, yeah.
Didn't even mind it.
Fucking A, that's just prairie for the rest of the well,
Wow.
other than that Hannah. That's one call.
There's one more good one, isn't there?
No, that's a baby compared to that.
Oh yeah, that's like,
Yeah.
that's, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was.
Already blowing smoke.
Steep one. Just for reference, yeah.
This is gonna be a third gear one. Oh no, she'll keep it going.
I mean, it's only making 70.
It's only 70,
right?
right? It's fine. More like 1,570. Oh, there it showed up, 1140. Wow, it was only 1,200, it's fine.
Oh, yeah.
It smells. It smells like it's hot. Oh, blow a boost tube off. Oh no. Oh no. I bet you I know which one it was.
Well,
This happened before.
She'll go over 1,200 now.
Oh yeah. she's probably already 1,200. Trying to pull flat ground. Well, we'll just pull on over here and grab 7/16ths.
Perfect time to be
Oh.
recording. Is that 7/16?
I'm prepared, alright? I already got my hazard.
I see you've blown it in line before.
It's happened a time or two.
Keep recording.
Yeah, let's go see which one blew.
Oh, I can hear it. It's over here. Yeah, get back one.
Oh yeah, that's the one. It blew it right out of the boot. Look at that. Squeezed it right out of the clamp. I really should have a 7/16.
I don't know why. I mean, you're only pulling double the weight of the truck.
Oh, and this clamp might have just loosened up. Look, I'm spinning it with my fingers. You shouldn't be able to do that.
And there's no more hills, Dodge, so you can't blow anymore.
That's what you said the last. Just blew a boot on the charge tube. There we go. Just happier with full boost again. Perfect. Now we're about, well, under 2 hours from home. I hate this corner. Got a stop sign, then a greasy hill. No cops now. We're not stopping. Man, this thing feels so good.
Only 73 degrees.
Yeah. Like, cool.
Yeah, like just barely running at half on the temperature.
Yeah, temperature got to 197 there, which is where it's happy.
Well, that means, yeah, 197 is what.
Yeah. That's just where it's happy. Oh, that gas job stinks though.
That's just a needle with master half on your factory gauge.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what my.
That's where they come. Yeah. This one.
That was stinky.
Yeah, friggin' catalytic converters. Stinky gas jobs, jeez.
Yeah.
I can't stand the smell of that 2018 power wagon when it's warming up.
Yeah.
When it's cold out, it is like awful. It stinks.
Yeah.
I'd rather smell a diesel any day.
Well, I mean, I gotta know what it feels like. This. Oh, yeah. Well, make sure you put your seatbelt on. Oh, I forgot about the armrest. Tell Steve about that. It's getting a little loose down there. Grabbing the wheel like I'm doing something. Oh yeah, not sketchy at all up here. Oh, what I said, I thought I had brakes. I lied, I guess. But she's in gear. She might feel a little top heavy. That's okay. I mean, if I die in this thing, they can just bury me in it. Oh, that's the bridge. Oh, pretty good. Mint. Oh, I just love this thing. on the color of that hood, I think. Yeah, that looks good. That there's kind of, it's nice, but it's too green. And blue's like a nice blue. Well, it's enough of that freezingness. Fucking chilly. A little scary, but it was alright. Oh, look at it. So beautiful. And there was another Dodge in the yard. Doing a little brushing. You want a little bit? Okay. That'll be good. I can move it around after that.
Well, it made her. Of course, it had to be snowing today and messing around, and truck's all covered in salt. Look at that thing. Hey, Charlie. Hey, 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 hey. You're such a chicken. Hey, pretty girl. Hey. 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 Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Well, I guess now I can't see my tow truck's not big enough.
No. This one should do. A little bit of an upgrade.
You can retire this one.
Yeah.
That's heavy.
jug. Is there something you can put down on your front drive shaft or something? Put another jerry can down there. Plug it?
Yeah, that jerry can I had before.
Maybe we can strap it up.
Honey, come here.
Okay. You good? Yeah, you can come up. A little more. So long, Ford bullshit. Good.
Yeah, I wouldn't be anywhere near that, Michelle.
Okay, I never really thought through where I should put it.